Top 10 Amazing Benefits of Clove Water and How to Make It. Imagine a refreshing drink that not only quenches your thirst but also offers a range of health benefits. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that this drink actually exists? It is called clove water and it can improve your digestion, boost your immune system and even help alleviate pain. By infusing water with cloves you get a unique beverage packed with incredible health benefits. But what makes clove water so amazing? Let's take a closer look at its incredible benefits and discover how to make it at home. Number 1. Aids digestion. Clove water is a natural remedy used for centuries to soothe the digestive system. It is made by steeping cloves in hot water, which releases eugenol, a compound found in cloves that has some pretty impressive health benefits. When you drink clove water, eugenol stimulates the production of digestive enzymes essential for breaking down food and absorbing all those important nutrients. Clove water also has a natural anti-inflammatory effect which reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. This can be especially helpful for those with gut issues like IBS or IBD. And the best part, you can make clove water right in your own kitchen. It's like having your own DIY digestive tonic. Now you might be wondering, is there any scientific evidence to support this? Well, there is a study published in the journal Molecules found that clove extract improves digestion and reduces inflammation in the gut. Number 2. Boosts immunity. If you are tired of getting sick all the time, maybe it's time to try something new like clove water. So how does it work? Well, cloves are packed with antioxidants which help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. But with clove water you are getting a healthy dose of antioxidants with every sip, giving your immune system the support it needs. Also eugenol and clove water increases the activity of white blood cells. These cells fight off infections and keep you healthy. Now let's look at some scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Immunotoxicology found that clove extract increases the activity of white blood cells in rats, giving them a better chance of fighting off infections. So if you want to give your immune system a little extra love, try clove water. Number 3. Alleviates pain. Clove water is a natural pain reliever that has been used for centuries. When you drink it, the active ingredient eugenol is absorbed into your bloodstream and carried to the site of pain or inflammation. There it inhibits the production of inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins and leukotrienes which cause pain and inflammation. Research has shown that eugenol also activates opioid receptors in the brain which are involved in the body's natural pain relieving mechanisms. But that's not all. Clove water also stimulates blood circulation which alleviates pain by delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the affected area. This improved circulation also reduces inflammation and swelling, making it a useful remedy for conditions like arthritis and muscle pain. And through arming and soothing effect of clove water relaxes muscles and relieves tension. This makes it an excellent choice for those who suffer from tension, headaches or other stress-related pain. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cloves contain compounds that improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for regulating blood sugar levels, and the best part is it does not taste like medicine. It has a warm and spicy flavor that adds a little kick to your day. Plus it is a great alternative to sugary drinks that can cause blood sugar spikes. I know this all sounds too perfect to actually be true, but don't take my word for it. Studies have also shown that cloves and clove extracts regulate blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. For example, a study published in the journal BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies found that clove extract reduces fasting blood glucose levels in pre-diabetic volunteers, and another study found that clove extracts improved insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Number 5. Improves liver function. You know that feeling when you're trying to get a job done but everything seems to be working against you? Well, imagine that's how your liver feels when it is overloaded with toxins and inflammation. But don't worry, clove water can give your liver the boost it needs to get the job done. Clove water contains a variety of compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. When you drink clove water, these compounds are absorbed into your bloodstream and transported to your liver where they get to work. They reduce inflammation, neutralize harmful toxins, and even stimulate the production of liver enzymes essential for the liver's detoxification process. Also, a study published in the Journal of Advanced Biomedical Research found that clove extract reduces signs of liver cirrhosis and fatty liver disease and improves general liver function. We've made it Halfway through our list and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 6 supports oral health. Clove water is a natural and refreshing way to give your oral hygiene routine a little boost. Now I know I have already mentioned eugenol a few times, but it really is the star of the show when it comes to clove water. This compound has antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties which makes it effective against harmful bacteria and reduces inflammation in the mouth. Eugenol is also a natural anesthetic. It numbs any pain or discomfort you might be feeling in your mouth. And let's not forget about the breath freshening benefits of clove water. We have all been in that awkward situation where we're trying to have a conversation with someone who has bad breath and it is not pleasant. Clove water freshens your breath by killing odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. Just be sure to brush your teeth and floss regularly because clove water is not a substitute for good oral hygiene practices. Number 7 promotes respiratory health. Cloves contain compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the respiratory system, potentially improving lung function and reducing the risk of respiratory infections. Plus, sipping on some warm and tasty clove water can soothe sore throats and coughs, making it a refreshing alternative to traditional remedies. But that's not all. Cloves also contain antimicrobial properties that fight off harmful bacteria in your respiratory system. So not only will you feel better, but you will also be protecting yourself from potential infections. And if you need some scientific evidence, a study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology found that clove extract had significant bronchodilatory effects, which means it helps to open up the airways and improve lung function. Number 8 improves skin health. Clove water is not only a tasty and refreshing drink, but it can also work wonders for your skin thanks to its high antioxidant content. Clove water protects your skin from environmental stressors and keeps it looking youthful and radiant. Cloves also have anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. So if you're dealing with acne, rosacea or other skin concerns caused by inflammation, clove water might just be your new best friend. And let's not forget about the antimicrobial properties of cloves, which fight off acne-causing bacteria and keep your skin clear and healthy. And the best part, you don't need to break the bank to get these amazing benefits. Simply add a few cloves to your water and sip your way to gorgeous radiant skin. Number 9 reduces stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can be like a bad house guest. They arrive uninvited and overstayed their welcome. But don't worry, you can kick them out with a refreshed glass of clove water. The aroma of cloves has a soothing effect on the mind, and its anti-inflammatory properties calm down the body's response to stress, and the science agrees. A study published in the Indian Journal of Pharmacology found that clove extract had an anxiolytic effect, meaning it can help reduce anxiety levels. So whether you are facing a big presentation at work or just need to unwind after a long day, grab a glass of clove water and take a deep breath. It is like a personal assistant for your stress levels or a life coach for your peace of mind. Go ahead and give it a shot. You never know, it might just be the change your mind and body needed. Number 10 natural energy boost. Clove water is a natural, caffeine-free and surprisingly delicious way to boost energy levels. The essential oils in clove, like eugenol and acetyl-eugenol, increase energy and alertness. They also improve blood circulation and oxygen supply to the brain, which helps you stay focused and productive throughout the day. And if you are worried about getting enough vitamins and minerals to support your energy production, clove water has got you covered. It is rich in vitamin C, calcium and iron, all essential nutrients for keeping your body running like a well-oiled machine. So forget about the energy drinks or questionable supplements and try clove water. And the best part, you don't have to worry about any weird side effects or artificial ingredients. Cloves are natural, safe and come with lots of other health benefits. So if you're looking to add a little spice to your life and your health, why not give clove water a try? It may not be as trendy as some other health drinks out there, but hey, who needs trendy when you've got tasty and effective? Plus, it is really simple to create this magical elixir. Just add a few cloves to boiling water, let it steep for a few minutes, strain, and voila, you've got yourself some clove water. If you want to make your clove water taste even better, try adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a bit of honey to give it a sweet and tangy flavor that complements the spice of the cloves. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.